It is 9:10. Looks like the lunar eclipse is starting. I've been taking pictures up here and they've been full circles so far, and now it looks like something sliced off the left side of that moon. I'll be taking more video clips and showing the rest of you what happens when it's a full lunar eclipse. 9:15, and right now it's a more noticeable chunk taken out of the moon. Uh, I'm going to try to keep doing this, and since my camera doesn't actually go 1 hour, I'll be taking chunks of time, and then I'll probably splice this together. Moon is visibly have a slice taken out of it. It is now 9:15. Definitely a lunar eclipse is happening tonight. I'm waiting for it to actually turn color. So far it hasn't. "9:20. Yep, definitely going through. Not quite half yet, but it's slowly working through it. 9:25, a quarter of the moon is already gone. They say about 10:10 is when a full eclipse is done, and we'll see whether or not it'll turn red. Right now it looks like it's just still bright, with where the dark spot is kind of yellowing, and stay tuned. 9:30, and it is almost half. Yeah, it looks like an empanada right now, or a taco. Yeah, it does look like a taco.
Yep.
Now it turns yellow, it becomes a taco with cheese. 9:35, half of the moon is already gone. I'm guessing that at 10:10 it will definitely be full. Right now though, it kind of looks like a giant Pringles chip. 9:40, I've changed the setting on this thing. As you can see that the dark side has definitely taken about half of the moon, and the setting already shows the actual rest of the moon that's covered in the darkness. 9:45, definitely more than half, a little bit over half. I've changed the setting so that we could actually see the rest of the moon. As you can see, it's dark on one side. It's starting to get a little bit reddish over there, and it's still bright on the moon. It is 9:50. It's about 3/4 of the moon, and you can definitely see the redness on the moon. To the naked eye, it's actually much redder than you can see, but this is on the camera, and ignore the sirens. It's not for the moon. 9:55. It's definitely past the 3/4 mark, almost close to full lunar eclipse, and we will see a very, very red moon. 10 o'clock, and we are getting close to a full lunar eclipse. It's just a sliver left. It's about maybe 10 more minutes before it goes into full. 10:05, sliver left. We're getting close to a full. To the naked eye, it's actually much redder than it is on the camera. I'm going to try a different setting and see if we can make that red appear more apparent to you. But apparently when it's recording, it won't let you do it. I was doing every 5 minutes, but since this is close to a full, I am gonna let it run so that you guys can see what it is. And hopefully when it's in the full phase, we can see the redness better. It's a lot redder to the naked eye than it is on the camera. Well, it is 10:12. It looks like we have maybe another couple more minutes. So the forecast is a little off by a few minutes, but it is definitely red.
How long does it remain in the fully covered effect like this?
According to what I read, it's supposed to last until 11:23ish. So it should be in totality for about an hour.
So cool. That looks really cool.
It's going to get dark when dark.
It's already dark.
I'm saying once it really, the Earth encompasses it fully with the shadow, it's more like at the edge of the Earth's shadow, more or less.
Yeah.
It's encompassed by our shadow, but I think once it starts moving to the interior of
It'll be.
the cover, maybe
Yeah.
it will darken up a bit more. Right now it's like it's glowing.
I know, it's really cool.
Full lunar eclipse. There's still that little sliver on the side. It is 10:23. I'm guessing that little sliver is going to take a little bit of time to finish. And I am going to record and see whether or not that's actually going to fill up. They did say the totality is about, it should have been now already and last for about an hour. But I'm just going to take this until that little sliver on that right side is gone, and that will be the end of my video. I hope you enjoy watching this, and the next Supermoon Lunar Eclipse will be 32 years from now. At that point, I'll be way too old to take this, but maybe somebody else will do something like this for everybody else. Thank you for watching. We are definitely experiencing an unusual astronomical event, a supermoon and a lunar eclipse at the same time, and just see how red that moon is.